Hi, friends. So, our world is going through a tough, dark time at the moment as I am recording this, that might be causing you a lot of pain right now in how it affects you. And, or maybe there's something even more specific going on in your personal life that is giving you pain and you're going through a tough time. And we all go through, at one point or another in our lives, some tough times. And thankfully, there are some amazing strategies that can help us to feel better and to get through these times. So, I want to share with you today my 5 favorite strategies for dealing with tough times. And I hope they can bring you a lot of comfort and joy today. So my first of these strategies that I love and that I find so important is movement. So movement can mean many things. It can be exercise. This doesn't mean you have to be a gym rat. In fact, I am not a big fan of the gym myself, but what I love to do is dance. Dance has always been and always will be my best form of therapy. And the great thing about dance is that you can do it from anywhere. Research shows that exercise is an incredibly effective antidepressant, which can actually be even more effective than pharmaceuticals. So maybe you don't have access to dance classes right now, or a dance studio. Maybe you're in a war-torn country currently where you're spending a lot of your day in a bomb shelter. The great thing about dancing is you can do it from anywhere. Just put on music that you love, that makes you want to move, and you can do it from anywhere. No one can take that away from you. There are so many wonderful ways to incorporate movement into your life. So I encourage you to just think of ways to move that make you happy. So the next strategy is mindfulness, which is so important and encompasses many incredible techniques. Mindfulness is a therapeutic technique in which we focus our awareness on the present moment. There are so many wonderful mindfulness practices, such as yoga, meditation, and one of my favorite techniques, which is called EFT tapping. Emotional freedom technique. I will include a link in the description to some amazing videos that I found really helpful on learning to do EFT tapping. So even though meditation might feel like something that's really challenging to do during tough times when you're not feeling great, it can be such a powerful tool for training the mind and ultimately helping you to feel so much better. So I encourage you to just give it a try even for a few minutes. I will include a link below to a video I made on a very simple technique for meditation for beginners. And the next strategy is creativity. Creativity is so important and so healing for the soul. And creativity can be big or small. Write an amazing script, you can make a film, but it can be as small as making a nice meal for your family. There are so many ways to be creative, and during tough times, it can actually bring so much light. The next strategy is distraction. Distraction can be so helpful during tough times. I love to focus on humor whenever I can. The darker things might seem, the more I need to laugh. I can watch funny videos. I can laugh with my daughter. Any way that I can find to laugh in those moments is incredibly helpful. Or sometimes even it's a great distraction just helping others because it gets you out of your head. It's very healthy to give your brain a break from thinking about troubles and distract yourself with something joyful, something compelling. And the next strategy is community, which is so important. Community is so profoundly important to our health. In fact, studies on the blue zones have shown that the areas that have the strongest sense of community tend to have people with the longest and healthiest lives. It's that important. And community can take many forms. It can be your family, it can be your close friends, it can be people who have shared traumatic experiences and are healing together. Whoever you consider to be your community, take comfort in them. Find joy together in this time. I hope that these strategies were helpful today. I hope that they bring you comfort, and please know that this too shall pass. I am currently writing a book on a holistic approach to depression and anxiety. If you would like to be on the wait list so you can hear when this book is ready, I will include the link below. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm wishing better times ahead for all of us. Hey guys, so one other little quick thing I wanted to let you know is a great thing that's really helpful during stressful times is taking magnesium. Magnesium is a critical mineral that pretty much all of us need, and your body needs even more of it during stressful times. So I'm not a medical doctor, I'm a health coach, and just recommending this as something that's been really helpful for me, and just wanted to offer it to you as well.